add funds to Pinterest. What's up, everyone? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to adding funds to your account so you can advertise and run your campaigns here on Pinterest. Do you like videos like this? There are other related videos on this channel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. This is the second video. In the first video, I showed you a step-by-step guide to creating your ad account here on Pinterest. If you don't know how and you missed the video, I'll link it in the card. This is the second video to show you how to add funds, add money to create your campaigns so you can advertise here on Pinterest. So let's get started. I'm already logged into my Pinterest account, and you're going to click here on Account Overview. In Account Overview, there will be some options, and you come here, Company, and you'll have the Billing option. Click on Billing here. And we're going to click here to add company information. Here you'll put your company data, name, phone, street name, number, address line, neighborhood, city, state, zip code, country. You'll place your advertising content and commercial communication here. If you're an agency, you'll choose one of these options. You'll enter your tax information, CNPJ or CPF, your date of birth here, and click below to save. Then click here on select the address you registered. Click below to save. And you've already added the company information here. Now you're going to add the billing information. You're going to click and you're going to choose a payment method here to pay for your ads. So you're going to put the billing address here. You can click here to copy the information of the company you just registered. And it will put your credit card information, card number, card expiration date, and CVC security code or CVV code. Then just click down here to save. Did you get it? Put it below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, everyone.